Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to fix an LG TV black screen when there sounds but no picture.
Fix 1. Check power. Step 1. Make sure your TV is plugged in properly. Step 2. Look at the standby light on your TV. Step 3. If the light is blinking, unplug the TV for 2 to 3 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check input source. Step 1. Press the input or source button on your remote. Step 2. Make sure the correct input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, etc., is selected. Step 3. Try switching to another input to see if the picture returns. Fix 3. Power cycle TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV. Step 2. Unplug it from the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait 5 minutes. Step 4. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not remote, for 10 seconds. Step 5. Plug it back in and turn on the TV. Fix 4. Test HDMI and devices. Step 1. Disconnect all devices, cable box, console, streaming stick. Step 2. Reconnect one device at a time to check which one may cause the black screen. Step 3. Use a different HDMI cable if necessary.